If you want to add a header to a LibreOffice Calc spreadsheet, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps so you can add a clean, professional header to your sheet in just a few clicks. This is especially useful if you're preparing a spreadsheet for printing, sharing reports, or organizing your work in a more polished way. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open LibreOffice on your computer. If you're starting from scratch, look on the left side under Create and click Calc Spreadsheet. If you already have a spreadsheet saved, you can open that existing file instead. Either way works, so choose the option that fits what you're doing. Once your spreadsheet is open, take a look at the top menu bar. This is where you'll find all the main editing options in LibreOffice Calc. To add a header, click Insert at the top. This menu includes different features for adding objects and page elements to your spreadsheet, and the option we need is inside here. After clicking Insert, look for Headers and Footers and select it. This will open a settings window where you can control what appears at the top and bottom of your printed pages. Since we want to add a header, focus on the Header tab inside this window. Click on the Header tab to bring up the header layout options. Now you'll see three areas you can use: left area, center area, and right area. These let you place different text in different parts of the header. For example, you could put your document title in the center, a date on the right, or your name on the left. Click inside the area where you want your header text to appear. Once the cursor is in the box, simply type the header text you want. This could be a project name, a report title, a company name, or anything else you want displayed at the top of the page when printed. LibreOffice Calc gives you a lot of flexibility here, so use the section that best matches your layout. After entering your text, double-check that everything looks correct. If needed, you can type different text in multiple areas, depending on how you want your header arranged. When you're happy with it, click OK to save the changes. And that's it. Your header has now been added to the printed pages of your LibreOffice Calc spreadsheet. Keep in mind that headers are mainly used for print layout, so they help make your documents look more professional and easier to identify on paper or in exported files. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.